Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to remove app label on Motorola G06 Power. But before I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, as you can see at the bottom of the apps icons there are a label, yeah guys. So if you want to remove it, just tap on the settings. Now in the settings, go to this home and lock screen. Now choose the first option, which is home settings. We'll see here the app label, yeah guys. And if you want to go to this home settings, you have another ways to simpler, yeah guys. You just have to tap on this home screen, tap and press for a second, and it will be a pop-up like this. Now choose the home settings. It will be locked to this page again. If you want to remove the label, you just have to go to this app label first. Now pick the last one, which is don't show. And it will be set automatically, yeah guys. We check it first. At the applications page, there are no label anymore at the bottom of the apps icon. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.